Why do I end up like this? Waiting by the phone like you'll call me again.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Check. Yeah. Don't ask me why again, we tried again and didn't feel the same. The plans was up the diagram. Winter overseas, I got some bags that need acquiring. We used to get cash, the checks bigger so they wire them. Plug talk, fuck the middleman, bring the supplier in. From Italy to Ireland as part of the requirements. Could've joined a union, Kid Andrew turned to fireman. But I'm still doing fire shit, adapt to my environment. And now I'm up so high and I ain't coming down for no man. Oh shit, keep it rolling, stuck in the motion. Tell them stick to the program, get kicked like Vince. Your old boss has got no chance. I got both hands wrapped around the game in a choke slam. It turned me from a kid into a grown man. I got my stripes earned, battle tested, mics burned. It takes time being big body, making wide turns. So I'ma get there when the tides turn. Stare at the sky until my eyes burn. Lil Jessie was a little baby, now it's my turn. Excuse the lack of kind words. Try to treat me like an outsider, I'm the outlier. Peel the wig off these pussies if they doubt fire. I'ma get rich off this even if my mouth wired. Till the wheels burn no matter how tired. When you alive they act very phony, then crying at your ceremony. Stretch wings been an OG like Ananobi. Y'all fake views, fake likes and fake spammed emojis. These A&Rs sound the same but now they can't control me. You see me mobbing outside, you pussies can't approach me or you'll be finished grossly. My little spirit girl with crystals trying to stick and poke me, but I just stick and move in the field like Aunt Volpe. They can't hold me, hustle like I bag groceries. Bad hope be on me then get mad lonely. Cause I ain't getting too attached, I'm trying to grab trophies. And anything that's in the way just getting gas, Brody. Hey, try to treat me like the outsider, I'm the outlier. Peel the wig off these pussies if they doubt fire. I'ma get rich off this even with a mouth wire. Till the wheels burn no matter how tired. Yeah, straight like that. Type shit. Summer flight.
People in therapy are often there to deal with people in their lives who won't go to therapy. I have a job, it's actually quite fulfilling. Though my hairline is thinning, I barely do anything else. I read self-help books, I do meditation, walks in the woods, a new destination. I sit with my feelings. Sometimes I'm even journaling. I got a full-time job, though no one pays me, and it's all thanks to you. Some days I wish I had a relationship status. Then I remember last time I ain't got time for that. I have a job, it's actually quite fulfilling. Though my hairline is thinning, I barely do anything else. I read self-help books, I do meditation, walks in the woods, a new destination. I sit with to think I'm the problem, that I was way too sensitive, reacting way too much, until I realized we were different types, carrying a different triggers, scaring us to death. Oh, someday we will collide someplace where we can hide our space. Forget the world outside just for a while. Some way we will be fine. Safe place, just you and I, always. I will wait for us to collide. I'll wait, I'll wait. Old days, I used to blame me for crying, till I realized that I had needs you didn't meet. But that's all days. Now that we see each other, can we slow down, start over? Come closer. Oh, someday we will collide someplace where we can hide our space. Forget the world outside just for a while. Some way we will be fine. Safe place, just you and I, always. I will wait for us to collide. It's perfect, but we are perfect together. Oh, together.
뉘엿뉘엿 해는 벌써 지고 그림자는 더 길어지고 자전거는 달리고 있어 못다 식은 아스팔트 위로 가로등이 하나 둘씩 켜지면 마침내 보이는 내 영혼의 보금자리. So long lovely day, farewell. 길었던 오늘아 안녕. 하늘은 어느새 보랏빛으로 물들어가네. On my way home. 고단했던 하루 일은 있고 복잡한 머리는 식히고 내일 일은 내일의 나에게 맡기면 되겐 잘해낼 테니까 모퉁이 자리 한 내단골 편의점 캔맥주 하나 사고 발걸음 재촉하네. So long lovely day, farewell. 길었던
Those. Yeah. Started from the mud, now you see us going up. Numbers never lie, now you see us blowing up. People used to front, now you see them showing up. So what's up? I've been down and out, but look, keep it a buck, I don't fuck with these niggas. Always been one up on all of these niggas. They be trying to front for all of these bitches. I ain't got time cause they all in they feelings. Ice of the gang and we making a killing. It's 2020 and they notice the vision. You be the hero, I'm playing the villain. The underdogs, when we walk in the building, we getting money. Yeah, they think that we dealing, they talking hot. Yeah, fuck they opinions and we won't stop till we all touch $1 million. Don't ever forgive her, we probably forgive her, my nigga, I'm living. Taking the cards that was given, my blessings is already written. Wrapped little ribbon, putting ourselves in positions to making some major decisions. Started from the mud, now you see us going up. Numbers never lie, now you see us blowing up. People used to front, now you see them showing up. So what's up? I've been down and out, but look, I'm tryna get where I'm going, but haters be trolling, that's where they fucked up. Thinking you got me right where you want me, I tell a ghost just ducked up. Sending them shots, we send them back, y'all niggas ain't really bout that. Real niggas always bounce back, need more hands just to count that. Stay on my bully, I need me more breeze, just so we can get the team right. Loaded up fully, dogs on the leash, and you be knowing that's a scary sight. That shit don't happen overnight, work smarter with some sacrifice. Sugar spice and everything nice, mix it up, now you got a slice. We bridging the gap, they want us to rap, so fuck we back. Drew need a plaque, we turn to the max, and we never lacked. Been in my bag, this shit is a drag, I'm feeling jet lagged. Came back for vacation, I ain't unpacked, cause I'm going back. Facts, ooh, double the racks, TD the bank, your CD's blank, your Cuban is link, smoking that dank, pour up a drink, fill up the tank. What do you think? I ain't the one, but I'm the one. Brutus are who? He gon' dumb, you hear them drums, came from the slums, they know we the ones, yeah. Started from the mud, now you see us going up. Numbers never lie, now you see us blowing up. People used to front, now you see them showing up. So what's up? I've been down and out, but look, keep it a buck, I don't fuck with you.
I'm getting tired of your bullshit. I'm tired of your voice. I'm getting tired of the way you leave me hanging with no choice. If you would ask me long ago, back when you seduced me, yeah, I felt like a domino, but I knew you were liability. He said, baby, I've been dying to see you. Almost thought we were through. I've been busy hanging with my boys, but you look stunning. I forgot how fine you are, but I didn't forget to give you a call. I was just busy with, oh, shut up, shut up, such a dumb. It's almost funny. Got the lips of an angel, got the eyes of a beast, got the hands of a helper, got me weak to my knees. If you would ask me long ago, already knew you were poison. Yet I felt like a domino when you showed up here. He said, baby, I've been dying to see you. Almost thought we were through. I've been busy hanging with my boys, but you look stunning. I forgot how fine you are, but I didn't forget to give you a call. I was just busy with, oh, shut up. shut up. Such a dummy. It's almost funny. Oh, shut up, shut up. Such a dummy. It's almost funny. Although I cry myself to sleep, although I know you're bad for me, I have to lay my hands on this bag you have.